folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do some cooking videos for you guys on the Drolet Bistro stove right here. I have a lot of questions about how a stacked model cooks, especially for cooktop temperatures as far as getting it up to temperature. I did do my first burn, and that's a whole separate video. I have temperature reading videos as well, so check those out. Today we are going to be cooking up some stir fry with some pad thai noodles, so it's kind of like my take on a Asian pad thai dish. So yeah, I'm going to take you through it. Yesterday when I was doing the burns, I got really hot temperatures up here. So you want to make sure that if you're cooking and baking at the same time that you want to plan that accordingly. I'm also going to be doing some baking, so look out for those videos as well. So it's been about 10 minutes. My water is still kind of trying to get up to temperature. My firebox has died down just a little bit here. I'm going to start getting the veggies cooking for the stir fry. So I always cook with olive oil. I think it's one of the healthier oils to choose. I also really like cooking with hemp oil as well. If you guys don't use hemp oil, I use that for my dog. In his food, it helps him out a lot. I use it in lotion as well. Hemp oil has all 3 omegas, 3, 6, 9. So if you are lacking in your omegas, it can be a really excellent way to get it. And it also has kind of a nice nutty flavor as well. Well, that was a big sales pitch on hemp oil, which I don't even have, but that's okay. If you're not familiar with it, try it. I've also got some Garam Masala seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my vegetables here for the stir fry. I have some curry powder that I'm going to be using. I have some sesame oil. I really love cooking with sesame oil. I feel like it adds so much to the flavor. And a few liquid aminos. I usually I opt for this instead of soy sauce, probably just because I grew up with it, honestly, since I was a kid. So I like my liquid aminos. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there. And I forgot to grab my garlic powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some garlic and get that added as well. Here I have the vegetables. They are beautiful and colorful. They smell so good with the curry. I love all the different colors. Oranges and greens and yellows. I am going to, once I get this all stirred up, I'm actually going to put a lid on it this time because when you get oil splatters on your cook stove, it is such a pain to clean. People ask me what I clean with after a cooking mess. Simple Green is a good product that I use for cleaning. I state this other times, but generally the baking oven thermometer is off. So right now it is reading about 325 degrees on the external thermometer, and I'm going to give you some internal measurements. So we got about 380 on the side, 340 on the rear, 380 on the other side, and 400 on the bottom of the oven. I actually need my pie to be at 400 degrees. My fire is burning down a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more wood here. I don't want to get it like too super hot since I'm almost at that 400 degree temperature. So I'm probably just gonna start with one piece of kindling for right now, and then if I need to, only if, then I'll add maybe one more piece. I do still have the damper wide open. As you can see, as soon as I load this firebox, the log ignites. It's beautiful. I am super impressed with the way that this stove burns. The glass is so clean, even when the fire went out. So I did my maximum burn, and which was about 8 hours, and it was perfectly clean the next day in the morning. So some products, you know, when the fire dies out, the glass can get that dirty color, and you either have to burn it off or actually physically clean it off. And as you can see, it is still burning perfectly clean. I have not had to touch this glass at all. So very impressed.
Ooh, yum. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Smells good. Beautiful.
So I am done. The food looks amazing. Here it is. It's beautiful, colorful. Green beans, yellow squash, orange peppers, and some shredded carrots. And here I have my pad thai rice noodles. So I am going to go ahead and mix them together. I do have a little pad thai sauce package that I'm going to add over the top of the noodles that I'm going to mix together. I'm going to show you guys this up close because it is delicious.
I have my noodles. I put the dark plum sauce into the noodles. I'm gonna mix that in first, mostly into the noodles here. And then the bed of veggies is underneath. But I want to mostly mix it here into the noodles, and then I will mix it in with the curry vegetables that I have down below. Here we have the finished product. It is so good. It is like a curry pad thai Asian dish. So tasty.
If you guys like these videos, these cooking videos, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out so much, you guys. The more likes, the more thumbs up, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll continue to produce. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.